Alright. Oh wow, it's so cool in here. Alright.
Gotta take my shoes off.
Oh,
Yeah, that controls the lights.
the wall controls
No,
the
there's a
light.
switch back there.
Interesting. Okay.
You should take lots of pictures.
I think I'm setting up. If I can get this video to stay, that would be an awesome thing. Let me see. Don't step on the black.
That's what I heard.
Hello, Katie. Okay.
Older person is the first. Older.
That would be Heather.
Heather.
Heather, your oldest.
So the official way is to sit like this.
Alright, guys.
Like this. But I don't expect all of you to be able to sit like this for a long period of time. So
Alright, let's see how this works for my
I'm showing
tattoo.
this to you, but maybe when you actually bring the teeth, you can sit like this. But otherwise, you can sit like
Ooh,
the way that's
doesn't feel so good on my tattoo.
Okay.
Oh no. I don't know how to set this up.
You can sit here facing this way.
Okay.
Oh, we set facing.
Yeah, facing
Alright,
that way.
let's see if I can get this to work.